What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be swapping out the C5 clutch assist spring with the OEM one that's on my 2008 Chevy Corvette. If you're wondering why I'm deciding to swap out this spring, I made an entire video on it and I'll link it somewhere right up here. With that being said, let's just get to the meat and potatoes of the video, which is in fact installing the spring. All right, so it should be pretty simple if you ignore the limited space. We just have to get to that coil spring right up there. All you should really need for this is a set of needle nose pliers just to reach in there and pull the spring out. It just clips into place. It's not screwed in or really permanently mounted on there, so it shouldn't be too bad. All right, so right now I have you on my GoPro. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see anything. If not, then all this footage will be deleted anyway, and I'll just explain it after the fact. But here we go. So we see that clutch spring. All I really have to do is if you push it all the way back, pull up right where it connects to the clutch pedal itself, drop it down, and then if you can see that, the spring is detached from the actual clutch pedal. Next, you just gotta reach on the sides and just kind of get behind there and push it in. And it should pop right out. There you go. All right, so as you can see, there is a considerable size difference between the previous model C5 spring and the C6 spring. I'm wearing a glove right now because the C6 spring is covered in grease, and I'm gonna have to grease up the C5 spring. That way it doesn't squeak in 5 days. So as you saw, it kind of sat like this, with this bottom hoop being attached right to the clutch pedal, and then these two being attached up top. And in order to take it out at the end, I just kind of squeeze them together, I just pull one out at a time, and it just falls right out. All right, so let's grease up the C5 spring and pop it in. Welcome back to the footwell. Putting in the new C5 spring should be pretty straightforward. It's just a reverse of taking out the old spring. So you just want to come up here, push these side pieces into the respective slots, and then you're going to push the clutch pedal all the way down, and then see if you can reach the bottom of the spring with your needle nose pliers and just pull it over the ledge so it sits right in, just like that. There you go. All done. Well, there you have it. That's replacing the OEM C6 clutch assist spring with that of a C5 generation. And just an FYI, if you are replacing your stock C6 spring with another C6 spring, say yours broke, the process is exactly the same. Make sure you stay tuned because my next video is going to be a review on how the new spring feels and if I feel the change was worth it or not. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, just do all the things, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care, everyone.